Alright, we are back again to the continuation of first 100-word questions for higher institution, paper and pen or CBT, which is objective word question. Remember in my last video we stopped at part 4 and part 4 we stopped at question number 22. So today's video we are going to continue with question number 20 word 3. Are you there? Now wherever you are, I want you to stay put, stay tuned. Let's razzle it. Let's razzle it. Are you ready? Now don't forget to subscribe. Please watch from the beginning to the end, and not just watching, please comment. Thank you very much. I really appreciate, and also share. Now can we go ahead? Now look at this question. Question number 23, part 5. Find the value of k in the equation sod 28 plus sod 112 minus sod k then equal to sod 170 word 5. Now, do you know that this particular question, we can approach it also using what we call calculator words method. Now, wherever you are, please, I just want you to monitor this. Now, look up, just listen to me, you will understand it better. This is the calculator we are talking about. Now, what you are going to do for me, first of all, you clear the function key. You punch shift, punch 9, punch 3, punch equal to and what AC. It has disappeared. Now looking at question number 3, hope you are seeing it right. Now what you should do, punch sod 28. I've done that. Are you with me? Then navigate out from the sod, punch the forward button, which is this right key. Then the next thing is punch plus and the sod 112. Square root of what? 112. Navigate again, punch the right button. Then the next thing is to punch minus sod what? K. I'm going to use X now. Now this is sod. How do we punch X? Punch alpha close bracket. X has what? Appear. Navigate out again. You punch the right button. Now the next thing is to punch equal to. Are you there? How do you punch equal to? Please, it's always alpha calc. Equal to we do what? Appear. Then finally you punch sod 175. This is sod, right? Then I'll punch 175. Are you there? Then finally, we are done with exactly what is queued in the question. How do we get X now or K? Punch shift and what? Calc. It will say solve for X. Finally, punch equal to and expect the answer. Now, can you see wow? The answer has appeared 7 and what? 0. It means that the up one is the right answer. But for you to confirm that it's 7, punch equal to only 7 that will appear. So which means this is calculator method. So what we got as the answer is what? 7. Am I communicating? Now is there 7 in the option? Yes. Correct answer is option what? D. Let's move to question number 24. What did I say? Question number what? 24. Now the question says in a class of 46 students, so which means the universal set is how many students? 46. It was observed that 22 play what? Football. Now the number that play football is how many? I say F is how many? 22, right? And again, be careful. And 26 play what? Volleyball. So which means the number that play volleyball is how many? 26. Am I communicating? Now the question now we stop here. If 3 students play both games, how many play what? Neither. I'm going to give you the shortcut of solving this. Remember that the number that play both games, which is football and volleyball, is how many? 3. Are you with me now? Now, what we are going to do now is this. Very simple. The number that plays neither, am I communicating? Look at the formula. Hope you are with me. The number that play what? Neither should now be equal to, watch now, should now be equal to the universal word set minus the number that play football only, football what? Only, plus the number that play volleyball what? Only, then plus both, plus what? Both. This is always the formula. Are you with me now? Now here we go. This is football, right? For me to get football only, since football and volleyball is 3, go to football, introduce minus 3. What will it give you? 19. Are you with me now? Then you now go to volleyball, introduce what? Minus 3. What will it give you? 20 what? 3. Oh yeah, let's substitute now. What is the universal set? 46 minus open bracket. Football only is what? 19 plus. Volleyball only is what? 23. Then plus both is what? 3. Are you with me now? Now let us bring our calculator now. I will punch 46 minus open bracket. 19 Are you with me? 19 plus what? 23 plus what? 3. Close the bracket. Finally equal to, what is the answer? The correct answer is 1. Do we have 1 in the option? Yes. How many play neither? Wow. Option what? D. Have I made myself clear? Now question number 25. Are you there? Question number 25. Now what is question number 25? I want you to observe this. The question is given that the cardinality of A is 16, right? And the cardinality of B is what? 19. And the cardinality of A union B is what? 27. Now the question says, find the cardinality of what? A intersection B. Can you observe this particular Venn diagram of set? It has no neither, so you don't need to struggle over it. Now, anytime you are looking for the intersection, it is very simple. Are you with me now? Now, I want you to observe something here. Anytime you are looking for the word intersection, can you hear me clear? You add this, it is going to be those that offer, the cardinality of set A plus the cardinality of set B minus the universal word set. Can we substitute now? What is the cardinality of set A? Oh my goodness, it is 16. What about cardinality of set B? What is it? 19. Are you with me? Minus the universal set simply means A union B. Please don't forget 2. So what is the cardinality of A union B? It is 27. Can we bring our calculator again? I will now say watch. 16. Are you with me? Plus what? 19. Then minus 27. What is the answer? 8. The answer is what? 8. Do you have 8 in the option? Yes. What is the correct answer? Option what? B. Am I communicating now? Now question number 26. What did I say? Question number what? 26. Question number 26. Now this is a very simple question. We call it the occurrence of what? Sequence. Now watch. The number 1.333 dash is the same thing as, you don't even need to panic. This is option. It can never be what? Option A. We are looking at it based on fraction. Based on what? Fraction. Now let's try option B and punch it and know whether it will give us the exact number. Are you with me? I will now say 4 divided by 3. What will it give you? 4 over 3, right? But punch SD, it will not give you decimal. Look at it. 1.3333. So which means the correct answer is option what? B. But if you doubt this, I want to show you how to solve it again. 1.3333 continuous. Are you there? Now look at how we do it. First of all, you introduce the first number before the decimal, which is 1. Then you add. Then what? You add. There is a law. And what is the law? After the decimal point, pick one value there. The first value, which is 3. Divide it by 9. This 9 is always constant. It's always what? Constant. When we talk about the occurrence of sequence, can we say this is 1 plus, are you there? 3 here is 1. 3 going to 9 will give you 3. Now just cross multiply. Now what do we say? 3 times 1 will give us 3. Then plus 1. All over the denominator, which is what? 3. Are you there? Then 3 plus 1 will give you what? 4. All over 3. Can you see it has given you the same thing? Question number 27. What did I say? Question number what? 27. Question number 27. Now the question said, look up. If n plus b, look at it, n plus b sod what? 3 is equal to, look at it, bracket 3 plus, look, this is 2 sod what? 3, all squared, all what? Squared. Now the question is this, find the value of what? A. Sorry, the value, not A, find the value of what? N and what? B. Am I communicating? Now you can use calculator method. You can use what? Calculator method. First of all, solve for this. That is what, and do the comparison. Oh yeah, watch very well. Clear the function key again. Shift 9 3 equal to what? AC. Now let's point this value. That is all. Now what we do? Punch open bracket followed by 3. Are you there? Then you punch what? Plus followed by what? 2. Are you there? Punch what? Sod 3. Are you with me? Navigate out. Navigate what? Out. Then close the bracket. The next thing is all square. Look at it, x square. Punch all square. Finally, punch equal to. Can you see? Wow, the answer has appeared. 21 plus 12 sod 3. 21 plus 12 sod what? 3. So which means n plus b sod 3 should be what? 21 plus what? 12. Are you with me? Sod what? 3. Do the comparison. The value of n is what? 21. And the value of b is what? 12. So which means n comma b should be what? 21 comma 12. Do we have 21 comma 12 in the option? Wow. 21 comma what? 12. The answer is option what? B. Have I made myself clear? Now let's move to question number 28. What did I say? Question number 28. Now the question says, look up, don't be in a hurry. I don't even need to remind you, look up. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to what? 0. Now the question says, find alpha cube minus beta what? Cube. Now what you should do is very simple. Now, question number 28. The first thing that you're going to do, look up, punch mode what? 5. That's the first thing. Punch mode what? 5. Are you with me now? That is all. That's the essence of doing this. Then after you punch mode 5, the next thing you are going to do is to punch what? 3. Punch what? 3. Now it will now be in a quadratic word form. Are you with me now? First of all, what is the coefficient of x squared here? 1. Punch 1, then equal to. What's the coefficient of x here? 5. Punch 5 with equal to. Finally, what's the constant here? Minus 2. Punch minus 2 with equal to. Then let's expect two answers. Now punch equal to. Can you see that the first value alpha has given us minus 5 plus what? Sod what? 33. Then all over what? 2. Are you with me now? We call it alpha. Punch another equal to. It has given us x2. So that one is called beta. It's called what? Beta. Just say beta. What's the value? Minus 5 minus sod what? 3. 33. Then all over what? 2. Have I made myself clear? Now what do you do now? Look up. Just take the cube of this and also take the cube of this. How? Watch. I will now say minus 5 plus sod 3. 33. Then all over 2 in brackets raised to power 3. Are you there? Minus, what is beta? Look at it. Open bracket again. Minus 5 minus sod 33. Then all over 2 raised to power 3. This is exactly what we are going to punch in calculator. The first thing we are going to do, clear the function key now because it is not normal. You punch shift 9 3 equal to what? AC. Now what we are going to do, since we have numerator and denominator, first of all you punch open bracket. Open what? Bracket. Punch the 2 box. Look at the 2 box. Are you with me? Then Q in the numerator, which is minus what? 5. Are you there? Then plus, right? Then I have sod 33. I'll punch sod what? 33. Are you with me? Navigate out again. Are you there? Then go down. Go what? Down. Then we will now punch what? 2. Are you with me? Then forward the button. It will be at the middle. Then close it. Are you with me? Then raise to the power of what? 3. I will now punch. This is raised to power S. Raised to power block. Punch it. Look at it here. Then Q in 3. I'm done with the first one, right? I will now go to the forward button again. It's now at the middle. What is here? Minus. Punch minus. Are you there? Then punch open bracket first again. We still have 2 box. 2 what? Box. Punch it. And Q in the numerator and the denominator. Yeah, let's do that. What's the first value? I'll punch minus 5. Are you there? Then minus sod 33. Are you with me? Then navigate out. Are you there now? Navigate out. Then go down. Go what? Down. Are you with me now? And Q in 2. Q in what? 2. Then forward the button key. It will not be blinking at the middle, right? Close the bracket. Then raise to the power. You punch X raised to power box. Then you Q in what? 3. Wow, I've examined everything. Finally, punch equal to. Are you with me now? What is the answer? The answer is what? The answer that it gives us is 155.1031. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? 0.1031. Now what you will do now, go to the options. Press that and know whether it will give you exact this. Let's try with this one now. This is now 2033. Sod what? 33. Are you with me now? Sod what? 27 I meant to say. Sod what? 27. Punch equal to. Are you with me? I take 33 sod 27. Then punch SD. It will give me 171 point. It's not the answer. Now move to. We have tried option B. It is not the answer. Then let's try option what? A. Option A is sod what? 33. Punch equal to, and SD is not also the answer. It can be the answer. Then we now move to option what? C. Am I complicating? Option C is 27 sod what? 33. Are you there? 27 sod what? 33. Punch equal to. Then punch XD. Wow, it has given us 155.10 stuff. So the answer is option what? C. Have I made myself clear? Now question number 29. What did I say? Question number 29. Now watch out. We have question number 29. The question says we should simplify 1 over log what? A to base what? B. Plus 1 over what? Log what? B to base what? A. You don't even need somebody to tell you what to do. Now what you should do, this is called inverse logarithm. So what happens is that this B will go up. Then you now call it log what? B. It will remain only log A at the denominator. I will now move again. Now watch. This A will go up. Call it log what? A. Then divided by the denominator, which is log what? B. What do you think that we do next? Take the LCM. What's the LCM? Log what? AB. Am I complicating now? Log what? AB. Look at it here. Are you with me now? Log what? AB. Now, log, since it is like that, now watch. Are you with me? Then it is log what? I mean log AB. Are you with me? So if it is like that now, what are we actually going to do? I want you to